Greetings to you all. Welcome once again to another progress report for the Elysium Palm this month of November 2023. Again, this structure is based on 5th Parklands Avenue and you're welcome to come for a site visit. But let's get right to business. Construction is moving on at a very steady speed, and I am proud to report that we are now on the 8th floor. But that's not all. Clearance has been done all the way to the 6th floor, and walling is in progress, as you can see right behind me. And let me just mention, now that we are almost halfway done with the construction, the payment plan has changed a little bit. It has moved from 4-year payment plan to a 3-year payment plan with 30% deposit and 0% interest. So what are you waiting for? You can dial 0703 888 222 or 0713 888 222 to reserve a unit at the Elysium Palm today. Maestro Homes, exquisite property, exquisite value.